What I'm about to show you is a problem that has not been solved yet, and is probably impossible to solve. So, to start, pick any number. Don't pick any of the larger numbers, because those are going to take a while, but I've tried doing it on some of the larger numbers. Let's just pick 15. So start at 15. What you do next is you multiply it by 3 and add 1 if it's an odd number. If it's even, then divide it by 2. So, odd 3x plus 1, where x is the number, and even, you do x over 2, where the number would be x. So, start with 15. Because 15 is an odd number, we're going to multiply it by 3 and add 1. So 15 times 3 is 45, plus 1 equals 46. And do it again with 46. But 46 is even, so we divide this in half, divide by 2, gives you 23. And then 23, you multiply it by 3, then add 1, which gives you 70. Divide 70 in half, 35. And then multiply 35 by 3 and add 1. It gives you 106. Do it again with 106, you have 53. And then do it again, you have 160. And do it again, you get 80. Do it again, you get 40. Do it again to get 20. Do it again, you get 10. And do it again, you get 5. And do it again with 5, you get 16, 8, 4, 2, and finally 1. No matter what number you start with, this will always end up to be 1. And you might be asking, what is the problem? Well, the problem is that, what if we try it for larger numbers? Like, will it ever reach 1 if we try with a larger number, like a Google or something? Like, if we try with one of those, it might not reach 1, so we don't know if all numbers do it, and that's the problem. Because there's an infinite number of combinations you can do, there's, we haven't figured it out yet, but I've tried doing it with some of the larger numbers, like 893 takes 72 steps to get to 1, and 1927 takes 50. Another thing about it is that once it reaches 1, you multiply 1 by 3 and add 1, it gets you to 4, and then divide it in half, get to 2, and then it goes back to 1, and then start at 4 again, 2, 1, and then it keeps going in that 4, 2, 1 loop. We don't know if there's any numbers that don't do this. We haven't proven that this works every single time. And that's what makes it such an impossible thing to solve. So let me know if you find a number that somehow does not make it to 1 at all. Like, even after 400 billion steps, it doesn't make it.